Dear readers, thank you for reading our news. Please like and follow us for daily news updates. Today, I would like to share an overview of the U.S. stock market's performance for the week, from April 21st to April 25th, 2025. Market performance. The week began cautiously, as markets remained sensitive to geopolitical tensions in the Taiwan Strait and concerns about inflation. After a sharp sell-off the previous week, investors were hesitant. However, confidence gradually returned, and by the end of the week we saw a meaningful recovery across major indices. The S&P 500 rose from 5,010 to around 5,116 points. The Nasdaq Composite gained strong momentum, climbing from 16,300 to about 16,124 points, reaching a three-month high. The Dow Jones Industrial Average also advanced from 39,500 to 4,113 points. These gains reflected improving sentiment and investor willingness to return to risk assets. Key drivers behind the recovery. Positive corporate earnings played a key role in this rebound. Companies such as Procter & Gamble, Tesla, Microsoft, and Alphabet posted strong first-quarter results. Tesla reported solid revenue growth despite cost challenges, while Microsoft and Alphabet benefited from continued strength in cloud services and digital advertising. These earnings reassured investors about the strength of the U.S. economy, particularly in technology and consumer sectors. Another important factor was signals from the Federal Reserve. Fed officials suggested they might pause interest rate hikes in the coming months. After months of tightening to curb inflation, even the hint of a pause was welcomed by the markets, especially by growth sectors that are highly sensitive to interest rates. In commodities, oil prices surged toward $95 per barrel, boosting energy stocks like Chevron and ExxonMobil. Gold also hit an all-time high, reflecting heightened demand for safe haven assets amid lingering uncertainties. Risks and considerations. However, risks remain. Geopolitical tensions, particularly around Taiwan, could still disrupt global markets. Additionally, upcoming economic data, especially inflation figures, could shape the Fed's future decisions and impact market sentiment. Conclusion. In conclusion, the U.S. stock market showed impressive resilience last week. Strong earnings, a potential Fed pause, and renewed investor confidence drove the recovery. Still, given ongoing risks, it's important for investors to stay cautious and well-informed as the situation continues to evolve. Thank you for your attention.